Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Fountain pens are great to use for drawing, line drawings. But if you use regular fountain pen ink, you can get painterly effects when you add a little bit of water too. I'll show you today using my Lamy Safari fountain pen. It has a nib B and it has a Lamy cartridge in it with black fountain pen ink, which is water soluble. And I will use a Pentel water brush to dilute the ink. Let's make a line drawing. I'll draw a plant, just because I feel like drawing something organic shapes. I'll add a dark cast shadow and just a little bit of light hatching to indicate shadows. Now I pick up my water brush and squeeze the handle just a little so the water is pushed into the bristles of the brush. And now I can paint. As soon as the water touches the ink, it starts bleeding, which is a fantastic effect. The more ink you touch, the darker the shape you can paint with. Be careful not to touch all of the outline so you don't blur the whole drawing. As you go, you can decide where you want to still see lines, whether outlines or hatching lines. Let it dry and you have created a lively drawing with many shades and tones. Have a go at it. This is really fun, and I have to say that each time I do this, I am so surprised how effective and fun it is. With just 2 tools and your sketchbook. Have fun, and of course, there is so much more to learn. So for courses and workshops, go to sketchbookschool.com.